Hey, look at you. You've been hitting the gym consistently for 2 weeks now. Woo! And today, what will you do? Yeah, I'll go at 7 p.m. It's 7 p.m. and you're still laying at your bed at home. For some reason, something happened and you've lost all of your motivation to go to the gym. You just don't want it anymore. You start coping. Oh, I'll go tomorrow. It isn't that bad to take 2 rest days in a row. Oh, I slept bad anyway, so it's better if I don't go. You skip the gym tomorrow also. Then also the next day. And now, you've skipped it for a whole week. Again, right when you thought that you were making it a habit, that you were consistent in it, you fucked it up again. I genuinely can bet that this has happened to you thousands of times. Maybe with studying, maybe with working, maybe with eating healthy, maybe with sleeping on time. So how do you deal with your mind coping and do the fucking habits that you want to do in your life? Because you know that those will bring you happiness and joy. Strategy 1. Make it a routine. If you want to be consistent in something, you just have to make it a routine. Ask yourself or journal this. When will you do this habit exactly? When will you hit the gym exactly? And then do that task exactly at that time every single day. So when the hour comes that you have to go to the gym but you start coping, your brain, your mind will automatically bring you into the gym. Or when you try to sleep, it will bring you to bed at time. Or when you try to study, it will bring you in your desk. It can be about everything. One thing that will make it easier to make it a routine is the concept called habit stacking. That's when you stack your new habits on an existing one. So let's say in the morning when you wake up, you like to drink your coffee black and you read newspaper. So what you can do is wake up, drink your coffee, read the newspaper, and then immediately hit the gym. So now you've stacked a couple of habits, one new habit on a couple of existing ones to help you implement the new habit easier in your day-to-day life. For me personally, it was wake up, shit, morning routine, read a couple of pages, some deep work, and then go directly to the gym. So play around with it a little bit. What do you like to do in the morning or at nighttime? And discover what's the most optimal habit stacking routines for you. How do you hike up a mountain? By taking one step at a time. And that is exactly the second step. Take it one step at a time. First, do not think about the bigger picture. Because when you think about the gym, you think about the sweat, the grunts, because the weights are killing you, and the old naked man in the changing rooms. Or maybe if it's studying, it's the moment where you will lose all of your attention and do not want to study anymore. Or it's the moment where you won't understand the most important subject that you're learning. You get the point, right? So in the example of the gym, think about the first thing you will do. First, you change into the gym clothes. Very easy, right? Everyone can do that. Then you will make your bag. Again, really simple. And then you'll put on your headphones on. Like, bro, literally just put it on. And then you'll put on your favorite gym music. And then boom! Suddenly you're in the gym and you're having a perfect, fantastic workout, and you're proud of yourself for doing the thing that you wanted and had to do. Please remember, how do you hike up a big-ass mountain? By taking it one step at a time. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing because I give practical tips for you to become happier and achieve the dream life you've always wanted to achieve. And if you subscribe, I reach more people, so it's a win-win. Thank you for watching, and never forget that happiness is achieved.